Good evening, this is your Florida weather guy, and we're going to go over the forecast for tomorrow for our Tampa Bay regional weather area. And we're going to start out let's see, actually 11 p.m. Actually, we're going to look at our temperatures. Palm Harbor, we have 79 degrees at 11 p.m. Clearwater at 79 degrees. Indian Rocks at 80. St. Pete at 80. Cypress Hills 75, but they were closer to the rain earlier. We'll look at that here in a few minutes. Lutz at 77. Temple Terrace at 77. Tampa at 79. Brandon at 77. Fishhawk at 77. Mayberry 77 and Lakeland 77. Port Richey at 79 degrees. Let's look at the rain and thunder at 11 p.m. Nothing in our general area for the rain and thunder. So let's look at the radar. And let's put that in motion. And this is the area of rain. Let's move that off. But this is the area of rain. Let's move this over this way. But this is the area of rain over Polk City, Davenport, Winter Haven, Mulberry, Fishhawk, Fort Meade, Bowling Green, and Wachachula. That is our areas of the rain going on as we speak. In Winter Haven, from all the way just, and this whole line is slowly moving south. So that's areas of rain for tonight. And let's look at thunderstorms possibility for tonight. As you can see, all over, nothing for tonight. Nothing for tonight in Temple Terrace, Tampa, Brandon, Riverview, and Fishhawk. Nothing in Clearwater, Largo. Let's move it down a bit. Largo, Indian Shores, Riddington, Kansas City, and St. Pete Beach. No rain for tonight. Let's start looking. Okay, let's look at the temperatures first. And we're going to go at 11 p.m. I think we already did 11 p.m. Yeah. Upper 70s to lower 80s around this area. Upper 70s in the Brandon, Tampa, Riverview area. Let's go down. Bradenton, Holmes Beach, and Longboat Key, upper 70s to lower 80s. And they're probably because they're closer to the coast there. Okay. So now let's look in the morning. We're going to look at about 7 a.m. Temperatures overnight hasn't changed very much. Let's look. Temperatures hasn't changed very much. We're still in the upper 70s from tonight into tomorrow. Let's go over here. No change there. Let's look in Pasco County. No change there. Okay. So, all right. Now let's look at the clouds for tomorrow. Okay. Let's see what the most of the clouds say. So it looks like in the afternoon, looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy, 100%, 90%, 99%. So it looks like mostly in the cloudy skies for tomorrow. 99%. That's in the afternoon. 92%. 41%. Oop, that's not way we want. Oop, no, let's go back this way. 92%. Bradenton. Let's bring this back down a little bit. Bradenton. Bradenton, 98%. In Pinellas County, 94%. That's in the afternoon, late afternoon. In the evening, the clouds will slowly dissipate. And by 11 will be generally partly cloudy skies. Okay, now let's go back and look. Let's go back and check the thunderstorm rain. No, let's look at this one. The thunderstorm. Okay, this is 11 p.m. for Friday. But we need to go back for, actually, we need to go back for Thursday, 11 p.m. And as you can see, it's going to be mostly clear. Mostly clear. Now this is where our thunderstorms is going to come into play. Oop. This is where it wants to come into play. We got it, and it looks like quite a bit down here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that red. That's possible of rain, some heavy rains in that general area. And as you can see, we're all going to be in this rain for tomorrow evening. And then it's going to slowly clear out, and the winds are going to slowly come from the north and east. Speaking of wind, let's look at the winds. See what we got going tomorrow. Northeast at 6 miles an hour there. North at 9 there. That's northeast at 4, 5. So, with that being said, tomorrow it's going to be morning sunshine with upper 70s and lower 80s. Possibility tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will probably be, let's go back to see what the temperature's going to look like tomorrow. Let's see. Looks like we're going to be in the upper 90s tomorrow. Yeah. Or lower 90s, I should say, not upper. Yeah, lower 90s tomorrow. Okay, so all over this area, so some lower 90s tomorrow. So my official forecast for my Tampa Bay regional weather area is in the morning, some sunshine followed by some morning cloudiness, increased chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. And then the winds are going to be from the east, northeast, and they're going to be coming back to the coast late in the evening. So showers and thunderstorms are likely probably after 4 or 5 p.m. tomorrow, and then they'll be moving slowly back to the east, out into the Gulf tomorrow. So that's be this area right here. Okay. So they're going to be moving. They'll be moving. This will be area right in here. They'll be moving out into the Gulf tomorrow. But until then, like I said, we're going to have some morning sunshine, followed by, in the middle of the day, some cumulus clouds will start to develop in our local Tampa Bay regional weather area. And then we will have afternoon cloudiness with showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening and pushing off. Our daytime lows tomorrow will be in the 70s. Our daytime highs will be in the lower 90s, some upper 80s, but mostly lower 90s. And then we'll be scaling that back down into the upper 70s, lower 80s to upper 70s in the evening. This has been your Florida Weather Guy official forecast for Thursday. Thank you for tuning in, and this is your Tampa Bay regional weather forecast. This covers Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County. Have a great evening, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.